KSYS Co Limited, a leading LED display company that envisions the future with a human-centered approach. LED displays are all around us, wherever we look. We are entering a revolutionary era where LED displays connect everything we see and experience. And we've been getting ready for this moment. With over 20 years of dedication to display research and development, KSYS has been strengthening its expertise in the field since 2004. Our passion for displays has driven us to achieve industry-leading technology backed by more than 130 prestigious patents, certifications, and awards. With a remarkable track record in contracts, deliveries, and installations nationwide, KSYS has taken the lead in the public procurement market. Together, we have illuminated public institutions, government offices, and schools across the country. KSYS LED display boards are proudly made in Korea, produced in a state-of-the-art automated factory. Our automated facility includes both an SMT line and an assembly line. From precise PCB component mounting, essential for LED display boards, to final assembly, every step of the process is developed and manufactured domestically. KSYS is a total solution provider for LED display boards, handling everything from design to manufacturing with our own proprietary technology. Our unmatched quality and reliability sets us apart from simple import distributors. LED Cube, a premium LED display board born from KSYS's continuous R&D and cutting-edge technology, features an in-house developed integrated hub board. Its non-cable slot-type design significantly enhances maintenance convenience. The module is designed for easy front attachment, removal, and installation, while also offering enhanced capability with various external control devices. KSYS, leading the Industry 4.0 era with total ICT display solutions. Harnessing decades of technology and expertise, KSYS is illuminating the world through innovation. Recognized by the Public Procurement Service, we were the first in Korea to have our LED display board designated as both an excellent product and an innovative product. Ranked first in contracts, deliveries, and installations for indoor LED display boards in the public sector, KSYS has proven the exceptional quality of its products through performance certification, green certification, GS certification, and environmental certification. By developing design, manufacturing, and production processes with our own proprietary technology, we are taking bold steps toward becoming a global leader in the display industry. It delivers stunning visual effects with fast response times and vivid, crystal-clear colors. Designed for easy maintenance and user convenience, it transforms any space, whether it's a main auditorium, conference room, lobby, control room, or even an outdoor setting, into something truly special. With branches and regional partners in Seoul, Daejeon, Daegu, Busan, Gwangju, Jeju, and across the country, KSYS ensures that our products are always within reach, wherever our customers need them. Wherever light shines, KSYS continues to expand nationwide, bringing innovation and reliability. We are committed to delivering an infinite future to our customers through our cutting-edge products. KSYS Display, connecting you, me, and all of us together. Every moment shaping the future. Wherever light travels, across spaces and time, KSYS will always be there. KSYS will be everywhere you look. A company specializing in LED displays. KSYS Co Limited.